Hello guys. Welcome back. This is Mask Edit. Do you want to take your edit into new level? You are on right place. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe.
Your clip ready. Click on the clip, then go AI Remove. Brush the person you want to shatter. Once the AI Remove applies, duplicate your clip, then overlay it and slide it under. Go AI Remove on the overlay, then click Reset and continue. Go Remove Background, then Custom Removal on the overlay and brush the person you removed. Go Animations on the overlay, then select Neat Shatter and adjust the duration to your liking. Add a keyframe when the animation starts, a keyframe a bit later, then position the person in their original side on the second keyframe. Go Graphs then, Cubic out, like, favorite, and repost if this helps. Screenshot these prompts.